Psychological testing, unit number 3. In today's video, we are going to talk about these handwritten notes and how you can have these notes so that you can prepare very well for your upcoming exam, UGC NET, as well as your GATE psychology, as well as any assistant professor examination that is happening currently in India, any examination in India. If you study from these notes, you will be able to gather more marks, fetch more marks, and you will have a comprehensive understanding of what it is happening around. So these are the type of notes, only 4 pages. If you can identify the handwriting, it's very good. If you can't, it is more beneficial for you. All right. So if you will go through all these notes, see, these are very precise and concise notes, and you can identify, I hope all of you can identify the handwriting as well. And these 4 pages of notes consist of each and everything that you need to understand, that you need to know about psychological testing and how things are prepared. This will give you a general framework, general idea about how many tests, how many things you need to understand, you need to know about psychological testing, your unit number 3. See, first of all, what is written in the first line. First individual intelligence test is called as the Binet-Simon scale, and you will find one question clear cut from your this note for your UGC NET psychology examination. They have even asked this question: which of the following is the first individual test? And the answer is your Binet-Simon scale. Likewise, also first group intelligence test is the Army Alpha and the Army Beta. This is the verbal one, and this is the non-verbal one. And likewise, there are more many things followed in this particular PDF if you study. And this is one gem of the question. This is the something which is very precious. If you will rotate this PDF and you will understand, oh my goodness, you will understand how these things are happening. Okay, so this is, see, everything is written 1939 Wechsler Bellevue. What happened, the complete history of Wechsler Bellevue scale, you will be able to get complete comprehensive knowledge, as well as you have to support, if you support this from your ebook, then it is more beneficial for you. But just right before exams, you will get all the testing, all the knowledge which you need for this particular examination. Maybe it may be NET, it may be GATE, or it may be any psychology examination happening in India. You will find questions coming from these notes definitely and 100%. Okay, see, first of all, what it is written over here. See what is happening around here. 1955, it is written, renamed as WAIS. How many it has? It has 11 subtests. Okay, 11 subtests, and out of these, 6 is verbal and 5 is non-verbal one. And now let's check this question from UGC NET Psychology, December 2023. Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale WAIS, published in 1955, has how many what? Okay. So if you will go through these notes, you will be able to solve these factual type of questions as well, and you will be able to solve a comprehensive type of questions as well, because one more question is getting prepared from Binet and Wechsler. Okay, what are the differences between them is given over here, and you will find a lot of things to cover for your UGC NET psychology, as well as your GATE psychology, as well as your PhD, as well as your assistant professor examination. Any examination happening in India right now, these notes will be very helpful for you for your entire life. Pretty obviously the handwriting as well. And if you, this complete comprehensive note of unit number 3 consists of what? Consists of all the tests which are regarding your intelligence, your values, your attitudes and aptitudes, and you have to just do, you have to just explore those things if you don't know about those things, and then you will never miss a single mark in these type of questions. Okay, you will never miss, you will get complete understanding about WAIS if you read from these notes. These are very crisp, very concise, and very helpful if you will follow these completely, and you will find questions coming directly indirectly from these particular notes. Now let's have once again a look. This is December 2023 again. What is the question saying? Study of values prepared by Alport. They have written Allport, but it is Allport. Same that Propium one. Okay. Now Vernon, then Lindsay has some basic areas. Which of the following areas are included in it? Moral, aesthetic, cognitive, religions, economics. See, this is an indirect question from these notes. Why I am saying like this? Let's have once again a look why you need to read and why you need to have these notes right handy in front of you. These are just, this is 197, but these are just your 4 pages to change your game. See what is written over here. Value, a type of value, study of values by Alport, Vernon and Lindsay. So let's suppose you are having these notes and the question is coming like these: Alport, study of values, Alport, Vernon and Lindsay. Now you know from where this notes is coming, from where this question is coming from these notes. Now you have to just explore what is study of values and how this is happening and what is the core component behind that. Okay, so firstly, you were not having an idea from where the question is coming, but now you also have an idea how these things are going to help you for your examination. Okay, for your examination, these notes, if you have these concise, crisp, see, I'm not here to tell you waste your time and read 40 pages notes that are of no use. Just read these 4 pages again and again. Whatever is written in those notes is very super important. You can refer a book for that as well. Okay, ebook and some other books have been used to make these notes. Okay, so you can just go through all these books. You will get a complete idea how everything is very crisp and very concise in all these 4 notes. Okay, so first of all, for whom these notes are for them who are preparing on their own or preparing on their self, and they want some quick notes for a quick revision and practice more and lot of PYQs. You will have every PYQs getting solved from these notes as well, based upon Wechsler and these study of values and these types of difficult question. Apart from that, Binet Simon and all the differences they have been asking before, what is that, how is that, you will find, and in the upcoming exams of December and June you will be able to find questions from these notes as well. Okay, so now the next question is how you can get these notes, and that is the where the game comes in the picture. Okay, how you can get these notes. So see, there are two simple steps for getting these notes. Step 1, and then we are having the step 2. Okay, step 1 and step 2 are the two steps, important steps that you need to take care of. The first step is number 1, the number you are seeing flashing right now on your screen, or as well as you can find this in the description as well. This is the phone number on which you have to do what? You have to do Google Pay, or you can use phone pay as well. Okay, Google Pay or phone pay you can use for this particular number, and you have to make the payment. You have to make the payment on this number, and then step 2 is you have to send screenshot. Okay, screenshot where you have to send. Now listen this very carefully. You have to send screenshot where you have to send screenshot on this particular mail ID. You will find these details in the description as well. Okay, on this email ID you have to gmail.com. I hope you can understand. So on this email ID you have to send the what? You have to send the screenshot after making the payment on this particular number called as 9826992769. Okay, once you made the payment you will send the screenshot on this number. Then on only then, within 24 hours, 24 hours is the maximum time limit. Once you have sent the screenshot, within 24 hours you will receive this PDF right in your mailbox. Okay, you have to do nothing and else apart from that. Just follow these two simple steps and you will be getting these notes within 24 hours. 24 hours is the maximum time limit, depending upon you are paying in the night, midnight, 12 p.m., that nobody will be able to send you. So maximum 24 hours is the time in which you can get these notes and you can prepare very well for your examinations, and 100% questions will be coming from this. Don't worry, I will be also be showing how these questions are getting prepared, and if questions come from these notes and you have all these, then you will definitely score high marks in this particular unit. Okay, so how much payment you need to make? See, first of all, this is a introductory offer. So now you can pay rupees 111 only. Okay, rupees 111 only you can pay, and you can get within 24 hours, but before only 25th of December. Okay, just before 25th of December, if you pay rupees 111, then only you will get all these. Apart from that, if you are watching this video after 25th and if you are ordering after 25th, then you need to pay rupees 199. Okay, so this is after 25th of December. You need to pay rupees 199 to get these notes, and before 25th of December, if you order this, if you place your order, then you will get at rupees 111 only. Okay, so you can think when you want to order, it's completely up to you, but make sure if you are watching this before 25th and you are paying before 25th, you need to just pay rupees 111, and after 25th of December you need to pay rupees 199 only, and follow the two simple steps, that is step number 1 and that is second our step number 2, and within 24 hours you will be able to get this particular PDF right in your mailbox. And after that, your unit number 3 psychological testing will be very strong after covering all the necessary points which have been given in this. Okay, all right, so that's all for now. These in this video we talked about psychological testing unit number 3, how you can get these notes, and after that how you can prepare very well for your unit number 3. Okay, unit number 3 is very important. You will find types of, and the most of the persons or peoples are having confusing in testing only what is intelligence, what is aptitude, and all these things. You will be able to get knowledge of how things are differentiated, and you can do self study, and with this self study and with these notes you can prepare quickly. Just 4 pages, just go through that once again and again, just get the knowledge of how things are there. It's pretty obvious that you have to get concept of all those things mentioned over there. Okay, and if you don't have time right now, as of now, just mug all those up, what comes in attitude, what comes in interest, and all those things. And if you are lucky, you will find questions depending upon that, and if not, then you can try for future as well if you don't have any concepts clearance right now. Okay. All right, so this was the video for all those who were wanting or who want psychological testing notes, very precise, concise, and crisp notes for unit number 3. And there is one more. I want to tell you a mnemonic for this psychological test. Okay, so you can see there is a now recent pattern of this type of question coming in again and again. What type of question? That how a test is prepared. Okay, how a test is prepared, test construction steps they are asking again and again. So I want you to meet one of my friend whose name is what? Whose name is Irvin. Okay, whose name is Irvin, and he is a very nice and decent guy. Okay, so let's meet with Irvin. Why? Because it is very important. This Irvin guy will be very important for your entire life. Whenever you will find questions on this test construction, either you will be preparing test, or either you will be doing test, or you will be answering MCQs for your net exam, gate exam, or for your what, assistant professor examinations, PhD, MPhil, whatever it is. Okay, so let's find out who this Irvin is. First of all, it stands for your I stands for your item analysis. So first of all, whenever a test is prepared, item analysis is done in the first step, the premier. Then we are having what? Then we are having the next one is the reliability. Okay, then we will do the reliability referred to as the I from that. Then we are having number next what? Validity. Okay, validity, and that is our V. And then just leave I for some time and just we'll move to the last one, that is the norms. Norms stand for your N right now. Okay, so this is the Irvin guy, IRVIN, Irvin guy, and you must remember this because you will find many questions just on this particular concept. Okay, so every time item analysis will be done first, then comes the reliability, then comes the validity, and lastly comes the norms. All right, okay. So see you all soon. In the next video, we'll discuss more things about your preparation. And if you want to order these notes, then make sure that you do hurry before 25th so you can get at the discounted price. Okay. The steps are given in the description as well. Prepare well and get your certificate faster. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. See you all soon.